Hello friends! By the end of this video, you will learn how to conjugate verbs in Egyptian Arabic in both the present tense and the future tense. Now, disclaimer, I am a student of Egyptian Arabic. I am not a teacher or tutor or native speaker, so I might make some mistakes. So if anyone wants to clarify if I make any mistakes, please do. Please verify this with a tutor, teacher, native speaker. So first, before we talk about the conjugations, we need to know the personal pronouns. So I is ana, and you in Egyptian Arabic is different than English. So in English, we just have you, but there is a male form, a female form, and a plural form in Egyptian Arabic. You male is enta. You female is enti. You plural is entu. Again, enta, enti, entu. He is هو. She is هي. We is إحنا. They is humma. So let's talk about the present tense. In order to indicate that something is in the present tense, all you do is add a be to the beginning of the conjugated verb. This indicates that it's in the present tense. So let's talk about to speak. So we'll use the example يتكلم. So let's do I speak. We know I is أنا. بتكلم. Oops. So this is the I form for يتكلم. So sometimes, like in the unconjugated form, you might see in books they'll add a ye in front, and sometimes you might not see it at all. You might just see the main root form of the word. I will just type that here. The root form of a verb is the huwa form in the past tense. So what do I mean by this? So in Egyptian Arabic is like a root language, meaning that we attach things before or after the root. So if we look here, we added a be to this to make it بتكلم. This be indicates present tense. And the whole thing is I speak. أنا بتكلم. Okay? So the root form of يتكلم is كلام. And it's actually really cool being a root language because it's just really cool because a lot of things make a lot of sense. So this is the root form. So I will highlight that. And remember, the root form is the hoa form in the past tense. So sometimes you might see in like a book or whatever, you might see kalam. Sometimes you might see يتكلم. So let's continue. أنت بتتكلم. So what indicates أنت? The أنت conjugation. So we have an extra T here, an extra te. So بتتكلم, this extra te indicates that this is the أنت form. And again, the be indicates that we are talking about the present. So أنت بتتكلم. أنتي, which again is the female form of you, بتتكلمي. So أنتي بتتكلمي. So it's almost like enta. All we do here is add a yeah at the end. So, and here we have, but to be honest, I'm not sure if this is an indication of, with ena, I think you usually just add a be to whatever the regular form is. So I'm not really sure why there's a te here, but I know it's ana بتكلم. So if anyone wants to clarify that in the comments, that would be great. أنت بتتكلم. أنتي بتتكلمي. أنتو. Can we guess? So أنتو is you plural. So we know be, probably a te, because the other U's have te. بتتكلموا. So something that you might notice here is that we kind of are adding the same endings that are with the personal pronoun. So انتوا بتتكلموا, انتي بتتكلمي. So that could be something that could maybe help you remember. But it's not for everything. So as we'll see, we're going to go to هو now. هو again is he. هو بيتكلم. So in the present tense, we add a ye after the be. هو بيتكلم. Now let's do هي. Remember, هي is she. And actually, هي is the same as أنت. هي بتتكلم. So I'll highlight these two to show that they have the same conjugation. So let me delete this so we have more space. Okay, now let's talk about إحنا. إحنا is we. So إحنا بنتكلم. So all we do for إحنا is we add a noon, which is the N sound, na. Oh, oops. Make this red. إحنا بنتكلم. And lastly, we have هما. هما بيتكلموا. Oops. So with هما, with the conjugation, we have a ye in front, and at the end we add wow and elif. هما بيتكلموا. So again, let's go over the conjugations. أنا بتكلم, أنت بتتكلم, أنتي بتتكلمي, أنتوا بتتكلموا, هو بيتكلم, هي بتتكلم, إحنا بنتكلم, and هما بيتكلموا. Okay? Now, one thing you might wonder is how can I tell the difference between أنت بتتكلم and هي بتتكلم, because they are the same conjugation. Really, I think you have to just go by context of the situation of who you're talking about. And also sometimes they might have it written in front, أنت or هي. So that is the present tense conjugation. And now let's do future tense. So future tense is super easy. So I'm literally just gonna copy paste this because I'll show you how easy it is. Instead of adding a be to the front, all we do is add a he instead. So here, with present tense, we had بتكلم, بتتكلم. All we do is change the be for a he. أنا هتكلم, أنت هتتكلم, أنتي هتتكلمي, أنتوا هتتكلموا, هو هيتكلم, هي هتتكلم, إحنا هنتكلم, وهما هيتكلموا. If you want me to do more videos on different aspects of Egyptian Arabic, and maybe if you want me to do more examples, let me know and I will for sure do them. And make sure to check out some of my other videos. Hopefully they will help, and let me know if you ever have any questions or any requests for videos. Thank you as always, and hope to see you soon. Bye for now.